How to convert Canva presentation into a PowerPoint PPTX file. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be guiding you on how we can convert in Canva presentation into a PowerPoint PPTX. So without any delay, let's just get started with that video. For that, you can just go ahead and open up your Canva and open up your presentation in your computer. And once you've done that, in order to convert it into a PowerPoint PPTX, you can just go ahead and tap on the Share tab at the top right corner. Once you've done that, you can just go ahead and download that particular project. And for that, you can go ahead and select this file type. And under this file type, we're going to select this option called PPTX since we are converting it into a Microsoft PowerPoint PPTX. And then go ahead and select up the pages that you want to convert, for example, 2 right now, and tap on done. After that, simply click on download and wait for the download to be completed. It usually takes about some seconds only for it to be downloaded. And once it is downloaded on your device, what you can do is simply look it up in the up section from where you usually see your downloads, and then just go ahead and open it up in your folder. Once you do that, you can just go ahead and click on it, and when you open it up, you'll be finding it in your presentation in your PowerPoint, and that is it. That's how you convert it. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.